Hey, what's up, Nade? Hey, what's up, Jamie? It's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone yesterday, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you guys can fix super easily so you can start bringing in a ton more customers. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners that are so busy running their business, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't really know who is an expert and who is not. So what I started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. And I'm going to tell you today about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. You did a great job on the site, by the way. Very unique roof. It looks like, I love that it's a roof and solar panels. Super, super unique. It like completely captures what your business is about. I see roofing and solar here. It also does kind of look like pavers too, so really, really cool. Great job on this design of the site. Now, what Google mostly cares about is all this stuff right here, all this content you can read. The more, the merrier. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words, so that's kind of where you want to be sitting. Um, and if I go and look, you might be kind of close to that right now. You are currently sitting at about 890, so not too far away. You definitely want to get to that 1,500 word mark. Now, if you type in Roofing Concord CA, right below these 2 directories, Yelp and BBB, the first people that come up is Acker Roofing. So let's see what they're sitting at and see how we can beat them. So there's your 890, and they're sitting at 516. So great job. You're already blowing them out of the water. The thing is, both y'all are not considered an authorities. You're both not out that 1,500 word mark. So by getting yourself to that 1,500 word mark, you're going to separate that gap, but it also gives you more room to do what's really the most important, which is putting keywords inside of your content. Keywords are just phrases people type into Google to find your business, such as Roofing Concord CA. So if I copy this and I go over here and I just, oops, didn't mean to click contact us. I go back. Oh man, I'm going all over the place. But if I search Roofing Concord CA on your site, let me try it again. You can see it doesn't show up at all anywhere on the site. So you want to make sure that you put that in your content somewhere, like we offer the Roofing Concord CA residents have loved for years, something like that. One last quick little tip, let me bring this back down, is you can also save your images as that. So like right here it says exterior residential services, which is good, but you could also save that as like Roofing Concord CA, and Google will want to rank you for that stuff. So that's my first tip for you. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, they need to see relevant sites, which means you're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just look up backlink checker, keyword planner, you'll find all this stuff. But it says you have 32 websites linking to you, while Acker Roofing only has 24. Now, you might say, well, why do I only have 36 traffic being picked up versus their 44? Why are they beating me if they have less? The reason why is because not all backlinks are created equal, and like I said before, you want relevant ones. Here's what I would do, though. The easiest way to beat them is to copy them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you as well. So these 24 links, I would go to all these different websites, and I'd get them linking back towards me as well. And the best ones to rank, I don't mean to beat a dead horse, but the best ones to rank your site are going to be the relevant ones, such as like home renovation, roofer list, home blue, roofing service. You know, these things, expertise.com, these things that have to do with what you offer. So if you follow just those 2 tips, if you beat them in content and you beat them in backlinks, that's how you take this #1 spot organically. The last tip I'm going to give you today is how to show up here in the map pack. If you want to show up here in Google Guaranteed, you just got to pay for it. It's like a pay-per-click type deal, but I'm showing you how to do free stuff. If you want to show up #1 here, you need to beat. You are showing up #1 here. That's awesome job. If you ever get beat by Acker Roofing, the reason why you're #1 is because you have more citations than your competitors. It's just putting your name, address, and phone number in directories. So just keep doing that. You know, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, all these different directories, BBB, that you can list yourself in. List yourself in those directories, and you'll stay at that #1 spot if like Bay Valley or Acker, takes over and beats you. That is all I've got for you, though, Nade. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Try to keep this short and to the point for you. And I appreciate Jamie talking to me. As a super quick recap, you just want 1,500 words of content on this front page, And you want to make sure that you have keywords in there such as Roofing Concord CA a couple times within there. Save your images as that as well. You want to put your you want to have more websites linking to you than Acker Roofing. I would just get all these and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number, and the same ones that Acker and Bay Valley have. Like, why not just keep improving on it? If you follow those 3 tips, this is how you not only become number 1 here, which you already are, but it's how you take this number 1 spot organically here. You have 2 options now. The first option is taking this information and doing it yourself, and I highly recommend you do that. It will save you a little bit of money. It will take some time though, so I recommend you get started as soon as possible, because the sooner you start, the sooner you start profiting off of this. If you want this done for you, you don't really have the time to do it yourself, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 805-618-6426, and I'd be happy to at least put you in the right direction if I can't help you out. All right, thanks so much for watching, Nade. Have a great day. Bye.